Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to online classes. I'm your social studies teacher. As previously, we have started the topic time to say sorry. And we have learned in this story that if someone says sorry, then we should forgive him. We have read the story about Rafe, Zain, and Hiba. Zain has realized his mistake. He said sorry. Hiba and Rafi forgive him. So we should also do the same. If someone says sorry, we should forgive him. Today we are going to learn about why we have day and night. It's very interesting. Have you ever think about it? Why we have day and night? Let's start our discussion. Look at this picture. In this picture we have day and night. At daytime here is sun and at night here is moon. How day and night formed? Look at the sun. Sun rays are falling on earth and that side has day. On the other side it is dark. Earth revolves around its own axis. During that, you can see Earth is revolving around its axis. Due to that, we have day and night. Our Earth also revolves around the sun. But we have day and night because Earth revolves around its axis. And during that, sun rays are falling on our earth on one side. You can see that's why we have day here, and sun rays cannot reach on other side. That's why we have night. The side of the earth facing the sun has day. The side of the earth away from the sun has night. Yes, I'm going to repeat it. The side of the earth facing the sun has day. The side of the earth away from the sun has night. Now look at this picture. As we know, earth revolves around its axis. This side has no sunlight, it has night. But on the other side, you can see the sun is shining on this side, it has day. The world turns round once in 24 hours. 24 hours mean one day. The world turns round once in a day. You can also say like this because one day has 24 hours. The world turns round once in 24 hours. The world turns round once in a day. A new day starts every 24 hours. The world turns 7 times in a week, and this is why there are 7 days in a week. I'm going to repeat it. The world turns 7 times in a week, and this is why there are 7 days in a week. Days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. There are 7 days in a week. There are just over 4 weeks in a month. There are 12 months in a year. Months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Now open your books. We will start our reading. Seven point 4 Days, weeks, months and years. Our topic is days, weeks, months, and years. Our world is like a giant ball. It is light on the side facing the sun. That side has day. It is dark on the side away from the sun. That side has night. The world turns round once in 24 hours. As I have told you, one day is equals to 24 hours. So a new day starts every 24 hours. Now look at this picture. This side has no sunlight, it has night. Our earth revolves around its own axis, as already we know this. Now look at this picture. The sun is shining on this side, it has day because sun rays cannot reach on other side. There are 7 days in a week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. There are just over 4 weeks in a month. There are 12 months in a year. Yes, months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Okay, now look at this. Here is your homework. Question number 1. How many times world turns in a week? World turns once in 24 hours. It means world turns once a day. Then how many days are here in a week? Yes, there are 7 days in a week. Now you can easily give answer. I'm going to repeat the question. How many times world turns in a week? It's so easy. You will think about it and then you will write answer. Question number 2. How much time Earth takes to turn around its axis? Yes, as we know that Earth turns around its own axis, and how much time it takes, we have already read about it. You will write your answer. I hope you understand. Both questions are so easy. I'm going to repeat the questions. Question number 1. How many times world turns in a week? And question number 2. How much time Earth takes to turn around its axis? Thank you.